Singer Harry Styles is probably one of the most popular people around right now, and I'm pretty sure I'm not taking any liberties when I say that, because like everybody and their dad and their grandma know who this guy is. He started out on a singing competition before joining a boy band and becoming the most successful member of the group in pursuing their solo career. Since then, he has gone so far as to be called the new King of Pop, a pretty big title. With such high status, it makes sense that a lot of girls would want to be his girlfriend, and most recently he has taken to a partnership with actress Olivia Wilde. Harry has, however, been around the block when it comes to celebrity dating. His exes including the likes of Taylor Swift, Kendall Jenner, Emily Attic, and many more. Like with many high-profile relationships, the paparazzi, news reporters, and fans always have something to say and often put a lot of pressure on the couple. It seems that this newest relationship is no exception, and many fans have been rude to Harry and especially Olivia over social media. So let's take a look at their relationship, people's reactions, and how both of them have been responding to the cruel messages. Harry and Olivia tried to keep their relationship under wraps at the beginning, first being spotted together holding hands at the wedding of Harry's manager. A source even said that in his wedding speech he referred to Olivia Wilde as his girlfriend. Shortly after, they would make their relationship public and would be spotted together more often around Harry's home and walking around California. It seems that the two's relationship has been very successful, as they are often seen supporting each other in the real world and in encouraging messages over social media. Unfortunately, just because they're happy together doesn't mean other people are happy they're together, and many have taken to criticizing the pair. People don't like the idea of Harry Styles being in a relationship, whether it's because they still believe that he is somehow romantically linked to former One Direction member Louis forming Larry, or because they want to be with him themselves. People have gone so far as to accuse Olivia Wilde of crimes and disturbing acts in order to show how much they dislike her and her being with Harry. One search online quickly returns rude comments towards Olivia, and many of these tweets have tons of likes and people agreeing with them. Some of the messages that I found were, "Olivia Wilde is a effing homophobe and is friends with bad people. I don't find any reason to make beautiful comments for her even though she's in a relationship with Harry Styles. I hate Olivia Wilde and I don't have to feel sorry for that. And I don't say this lightly, I hate Olivia Wilde." If you're curious why people would call her homophobic and use this as justification for hating her, it's because she made a comment in an interview where she said changing roles in filmmaking was like coming out of the closet, so make your own opinion on what you think of that. Despite what may or may not be felt and believed by fans, Harry and Olivia have both taken to responding to the intense backlash that has been felt against their relationship. In a recent interview with Rolling Stone, Harry Styles was asked to comment on the small, toxic corners of the internet, and he quickly responded with, "That obviously doesn't make me feel good." He continued with, "It's obviously a difficult feeling to feel like being close to me means you're at the ransom of a corner of Twitter or something." He said that he just wanted to sing and was upset by his career leading to this sort of bullying and harassment. He said he didn't want to get into it if it was going to end up hurting people. Olivia Wilde commented on how she believes that the fandom is still great as a whole, and the people saying cruel things are only a small minority. She said, "I don't personally believe the hateful energy defines his fan base at all. The majority of them are true champions of kindness." Despite these comments, many people continue to speak out on social media about just how much they don't like her, and how they think that their relationship is one big publicity stunt. Whether or not that's true remains up in the air, and that's all I have for you for now, but I'll be sure to keep you updated. I've been your host, Woody. Join us next time for more.